Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be filming again. I told you guys probably like a week, actually it's been 2 weeks. I told you guys I had really bad tooth pain on this side of my face. About 4 days ago, I started getting really bad gum pain. And I knew it was my gums more than my teeth because it wasn't in one area. Like I'd feel good for about 10 minutes and something would kind of hit. And then I'd feel horrible for about an hour. It would go away, and then somewhere else would kind of hit. My teeth aren't that great. You can obviously tell by looking at them, which is fine. So anyways, it was horrible. Like about the third day, I got to the point where I couldn't sit. I was pacing back and forth, and every time I attempted to do a video, I would sit down and do my little intro and get back up. It was just horrible. So I apologize about that. And it caused me really, really bad headaches. I couldn't sleep, which made it worse because my tooth pain would come back because I was thinking about it, that kind of thing. So I'm feeling a little bit better, and I'm going to do this video. My last video was a makeup declutter video, and I will say the little amount that I did really made my life easier. I can open up my actual lip product drawer, as I call it, and I know any lip product I picked up is something that I could wear. So if like I'm in a rush and I'm opening up my drawer, I'm not going through, why is this in here? Why do I have that? I haven't used that for a year. I don't like this. So it did make it easier. I'm on vacation in a week, and I think it's just better for my lifestyle if I pick up those videos that week, because if you can only see kind of behind the scenes right here, on the floor over here, on the floor over here, behind me, over here in this corner, and all over this fucking vanity. All over this vanity, what I have. It is just, it's insane. So, I'm going to pick those videos back up starting that week. But I will put in a couple of videos here and there of like my smaller items. Like, I don't carry that much bronzer. My lip liners aren't that much kind of thing. And then we'll go from there. But I wanted to do a video for you guys. I've been trying out some high-end products that I have actually been really, really liking. And a lot of people have been giving me compliments. Like, actually, today I had 2. Yesterday I had 1. And then a couple of days before that I had 1. So, hey, I love compliments. Who doesn't? All of these products I'm going to be talking about are high-end. So, let's get into the video. I've already done my eye makeup to make the video shorter. I knew my intro was going to be a little bit long. Everything on my eyes is Lorac. Then I have my Cargo on the top end, and on the bottom lash I have Kevyn Aucoin. And I just picked this bad boy up. This is the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Liner. This was on sale for $12 on Ulta.com. And I like these for a couple of reasons. One, it has a twist cap. So you have to twist it to open it. Duh, Michelle. But the one thing I like is it dries down matte. It's really rich, good in pigment. And I will say it's easy to throw in your bag if you're in a hurry and you know the cap's not going to come off. So, this is in the shade Raven. It's originally $24, which is kind of pricey for an eyeliner, but I think it's worth the money. So I have that on, and let's get into the face. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Prime Skin Developer from Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Skin Enhancing Treatment Primer. You get 1 fluid ounce. Nice packaging. This is a silicone primer. A little goes a long way. You can always add more. And I will say about this primer, it has a smell to it. Yeah, it has a smell to it that I don't really care for, but it goes away after you rub it into your skin. You're not walking around, you know, like a crazy person smelling like that, but it just has a weird smell to it. But it's not as soft as I necessarily would like for it to be in a primer. I'm more of the moisturizer kind of primer. I have a few silicone primers that are a little bit softer, but this kind of just like goes into your skin. Like, you don't have to wait for it to dry. Like, that's literally done. And this primer is $68. I actually got mine at TJ Maxx for $24. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Burberry number 11 Cashmere Long Lasting Flawless Soft Matte Foundation SPF of 20. Why do you have to make your name so long? Like, I just don't even understand. Like, maybe 3 words, but 8? Like, I just don't even understand why so long. The packaging, though, that's one thing about high-end products. You're always paying for the packaging. I'm actually going to take my Sona Kashka brush. I'm always saying that wrong, I think, but it doesn't have a number on it. This is from the newer line. They have this kind of guy, and then they have one with the black handle. This is the cheaper of the two. I'm going to take a couple pumps on this brush and hope for the best. No, just kidding. I've already used this. My hair is freaking driving me insane. I look pretty, right? Just kidding. And I'm going to blend that out. I really hate doing my eye makeup first. Just because I'm already doing a concealer and highlighting to the point like I smudge underneath my eyes today, which I normally don't, but I did. So to me, it just kind of ruins it, but this foundation is just beautiful. And this is the one foundation in a long time that actually matches with my face, like perfect. I don't have to worry about if I honestly just wanted to walk out of the house just like this. Well, obviously I would set it, but just like this, I'd be okay. I don't need a contour to make it, you know, even. I don't need a highlight to make it even. Just beautiful. And it's definitely buildable and definitely full coverage. I'm just going to leave it like it is without any pumps. I use 2.5. And this foundation is $58. It is craziness how much these people make, don't you think? Alright, so that is the foundation. Next, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand, and I'm going to be highlighting with that. Trying to be as careful as I can because I have product on. Ooh, that comes out so much. Like, we don't need this much. Come on now. And that is not even what I wanted to do. And I'm not going to do here and here. I'm actually going to do this area right here because it's like where I've been a little bit more red. I'm going to take my Dampen Beauty Blender from Real Techniques. I cannot believe how big these suckers get. And I'm going to blend it out. And this is the problem I have. This takes so freaking long. But it does cover. And I will say I found out if you're my skin tone and you actually have this foundation, just beware. Like, I could probably, and I did this earlier to myself, and I probably shouldn't have. I didn't need that much of concealer to where I'm going to be looking a lot lighter than I was. So, like right here looks a little bit lighter. But we'll be alright. And I also like to take this beauty blender because it's so damped and just kind of, you know. Alright. So then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm actually going to let this sit for a few minutes before I do that. So I'm going to move on to lips. I have the Burberry Tulip Pink and number 27 lip gloss. And I'm going to put that on my lips. It's a very pretty color. And the packaging is just beautiful. So that is from Burberry. Then I'm going to actually take my Real Techniques Multiple Cheek Brush. And I'm going to go into the Laura Mercier and set what I just did. I'm not going to bake or anything. I love this brush. It is so cheap. If you can just get this brush, it is just so amazing. Alright, then I'm going to go into this bad boy I'm so obsessed with. This is the Shade. Oh my gosh! I've only said it one time, like, perfect. Urban Decay Naked Skin Shape Shifter. And I'm going to go into the powders. And I'm going to use this bad boy right here. And I'm going to take my Sonia Kashka brush in the number 123. I'm going to go into the shade right here. And I'm going to use this to sculpt my face a little bit. I love this stuff so much. Just so pretty. And I don't know why. I just feel so confident when I'm wearing it. This brush, I don't think they have these anymore, but if you do find this brush anywhere, nice brush, but it sheds so bad. It does. It really does. I love her line. I love her makeup, but it sheds people. How pretty. I'm going to take what's ever left on this brush and do my neck, which I normally don't ever do, to be honest. Then I'm going to take my Precise brush from e.l.f. I just picked this bad boy up on elf.com because it was on sale. I'm lightly dabbing, like lightly, because my nose is so long anyways and so big. I just don't want to draw too much attention to it. But at the same time, I want it to be sculpted if my face is. If you're like me and you have a long nose like I do, don't bring it up all the way to the eyebrow because all it's going to do is make your nose longer. I promise you. I watched a video a long time ago of someone doing makeup and I'm like, oh, I'm going to do it like her. And I just already look like a big nose freak. That was unnecessary. So I'm going to take the Cover FX in the shade Moonlight. I was going to do the new guy right here that I got. These are on sale on Sephora.com for $17. This is the shade Opal. These are the Becca highlighters. So pretty. I didn't realize it was going to be this freaking tiny. It didn't say mini or anything. But this guy right here, I don't give enough credit to. I kind of have a love-hate relationship for. But you will see in a second. This is very pretty. I'm going to take a fan brush and go in. Look how pretty. Like, definitely noticeable. I'm going to take that Precise brush and go in and just kind of go on the tip of my nose and up. And that's how pretty that sucker is. I don't know why I love it and hate it at the same time. Like, I will honestly wear it. I'm going to put some on the sides of my eyes. I will honestly wear this and be like, Okay. But just to show you guys, because I'm getting ready to end the video, I'm just going to put on a little bit of Becca. I just lost my fan brush. This has like more of a green iridescence to it. It's definitely a highlight. Then I'm going to take my CoverGirl brush and I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier and tap it off. Oh my god, you know what I forgot? I'm so annoyed. Oh, shoot. I'm going to take my little rock on my Soho brush. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. And... oh my god, I'm an idiot. And I added highlight. So I guess it's a mini tutorial on makeup in reverse. I'm like, why? I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that's okay. I love this. This is in the shade Aurora. Very, very pretty. I'm gonna take this brush and finish. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. This is the brush from CoverGirl. I'm still so obsessed with this brush. Alright guys, that is it for me. That is the final look. I love the look right now. I think this brings out my eyes, the green in my eyes. You can definitely see my highlights, my contour, my lips are okay. I love it. I feel like I'm having such a good skin day when I wear this. And I think everyone will notice you like they notice me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe before you leave. In tonight's video, I'm actually going to be telling who won the contest and what they're winning. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be picking up another winner. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And I will see you all in my video tomorrow. Mwah!